36 people, that's how many have died at Midland Memorial Hospital from COVID since the beginning of September. That's the second highest number of COVID deaths in a month, the last being in November of 2020. And over at Medical Center Hospital, there have been 49 deaths since the start of the month. It's a sad reality. Rachel Robinson is here to discuss how the virus has also changed the lives of people that have survived the virus.
Yeah, Crystal, so many people have had their world turned upside down by the virus, whether it be you directly, a loved one, or a friend. And many people that have had the virus have dealt with physical, mental, and financial after effects. When someone is hospitalized with COVID-19, the battle isn't necessarily over when they leave.
And we're dealing with those long-term symptoms that were caused, the damage that was caused by the virus, not necessarily the active infection.
One of the things that I think doesn't get talked about enough is what happens when you survive critical illness from COVID-19.
Dr. Orlando Garner worked at a clinic for people that survived COVID-19 and ICU hospitalizations and said the after effects can be life-changing.
A lot of them develop mild cases of early dementia, if you would call it that, possibly linked to their hospital stay. And that's only talking about what happened to them neurologically.
Some consequences of the virus affecting their jobs and those around them.
Many of them required to be in wheelchairs, could not go back to work. Their loved ones had to take up different jobs. They became further deep in debt because they couldn't pay their hospital bills. They couldn't work anymore.
The doctor also saw mental health deteriorate.
Many of these patients had issues with depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder.
And doctors say the vaccine can at least be a roadblock for these after effects.
One of the ways we can stop this is by getting the vaccine, which is free, which is safe.
Hoping people will do anything they can to protect themselves and others against the virus. And some good news, COVID-19 hospitalizations are down since a few weeks ago, and vaccination numbers are climbing in the area, with 46% of people being fully vaccinated.